So in today's video, I'll be showing you the AI tools I use in creating my consistent YouTube videos. And this AI tool is completely free. You can generate consistent videos from there and it's free. And those videos can be monetized. Yes. And if this is what you're waiting for, please come closer. I want to carry you guys along to show you this AI video that I am going to share with you. You can do images and you can do videos and you can see your videos moving. Yes. So guys, this is Ava Family. Thank you so much, returning subscribers. If you're seeing us for the first time, this is Ava Family. Please do well to share, like, subscribe. Subscription is very important to us. So if you want to see this video, tag along with me. So first, we share our screen. So here you type PixVerse AI and you click enter. So for me, I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, immediately you click on PixVerse, it will ask you to create an account. And you create an account, initially it's going to give you 150 coins, and this 150 coins for each generation is going to take 10 coins initially. But when you continue, when you exhaust the 150, it will be giving you, sometimes it will give you 60 coins, sometimes it will give you 70 coins. So these 70 coins, for each generation, you're going to use 30 coins. And so let's take, for example, one video, you're going to get one email, you're going to get 2 videos from there. So it's left for you to know how many emails you have to get to be able to generate your videos. And you can combine it with other AI tools that you have that I've already shared, and I'm going to still share some AI tools I use because I use several AI tools to generate my videos. And this is one of the best of them. It's very important and it generates video in a second, split of seconds. It's very fast. So I'm sharing this. You can use it. It's very free, as I said earlier. So if you don't have an account, you create an account. As you can see, I already have an account. So before I start creating my videos, I first of all have to write scripts. How do I write my script? I write my script by taking my pen and my pencil and writing down the script of which AI I want to create. 2, I write my script by telling ChatGPT, this is what I want to create. ChatGPT write the script for me. So for this video, we're going to tell working with ChatGPT. If we have ChatGPT to write for us, why are we stressing ourselves? Guys, there is no need to stress yourself again. You don't need that stress. Let's tell ChatGPT to do the stress. Tell ChatGPT to write out a script. So we use any of this. We say ChatGPT, write us a story about a boy who got lost in the village and later found by her grandmother. Make the story short or long, depending on what you want, and interesting for kids. And we give the prompts. ChatGPT is writing it. You say, once upon a time in a quiet village, there lived a curious boy named Tommy. Tommy lived adventurous, but sometimes his curiosity led him a bit too far. This is very nice. So this is good. Now, let's tell ChatGPT to create us, describe each scene. So the scene is what we're going to use and generate the videos. Then what we have written now is what we are going to use to generate the audio. So we say from the script above, describe each. So we say from to generate the prompt. Okay. So ChatGPT is giving us the description. A curious boy with tall brown hair. Yes, this is also very important so that the description of the boy will be consistent. Take this. This is the first. Control C. We go to PixVerse. You come here. This is image to text. We come here and we say create a pixel animation of Control Z of a curious young boy. We say you should make it 8K, realistic, and so we also want it to be colorful, and we generate it. The good thing about this is, as this is generating, you can also generate another video. So we go back, copy the second one, and see if it matches with the first one. If it doesn't, we have to, okay, this is Tom. Blue shirt, and this is butterfly. So in this scene, Tom is already chasing a butterfly. All right. Is there a butterfly here? Okay, there's a butterfly here. So in the first scene, there's butterfly already. So in the second scene, don't remove the Tom, because if you remove the Tom, here we have wearing a red shirt, so we have to leave it to make it consistent. You create this. And this is generating. See, Tom is here. Here also, Tom is the same person. So what you do is you click it. They say remove the watermark. We did not pay for this, so I will show you how to remove watermark. You download this. So we've downloaded the second one. Then the first one we download from here. So after downloading, you come here to this image of a woman. You will see logout. That is if you have been able to create several accounts. You see logout. This is another of my channel. So I log in with this. So as he's logging in, let's go and get this. The third. This third is deeper in the forest. Tom sits under a tree, a large oak tree, looking worried. The trees around him are tall. So we copy this. Control C. We'll go back to our PixVerse. You take out from here to where Tom was described and put it and click OK. We go to the last, we take off this and put the next one. Oh, Tom is sitting under an oak tree. We generate this. So our coins for this has finished. So I copy from ChatGPT. And paste it here. So the old woman, I take off this to here. And also take out this in, and then paste this. So this is generating. Let me copy the last scene. Hand in hand, Tommy and Grandma walk home. Okay. This is the last scene. So we download. Don't forget to download. We download this. Okay, downloaded. We also download the last scene audio from 11 Labs. So we've already generated the 7 scenes we're using for this video about a boy lost in the forest and the grandma found him. So we generated the next thing. The next step is to generate the audio. First is to write the script. Second is to generate the videos. The third is to generate the audio. And the fourth is to put them together. So we share our screen. 11lab.ai. So if you don't have an account, you can create your account from here. You can also generate 11 labs without creating an account. So we are going to do text to speech. So here we've already established that this voice is what we want. And we click on generate. After generating, you click here to download. You must download it. So after download, that is the third stage. The last stage is we go to Canva. To any space you're working on, you can go to Canva, you can go to InShot, you can go to CapCut, you can go to Flamora, whichever space you're working with, but I'm working today with Canva. So we go to Canva, and in Canva, we go to upload and bring in all the things we've done. So the first one is, so now we have a watermark here. There is PixVerse here. So what you do for this watermark, you take it up to crop it, and then you expand this, and then expand this, and expand this. The watermark is gone. Audio is 1 minute 45 seconds. So we have to make sure it's 1 minute 45 seconds. You can take your right up here. Crying tummy. You can change it to white. And animate it to handwriting. So you can make it yours. You can make the video yours. Take it a little bit down here. You can make the video yours. Put some things here and there, some nice pictures here and there, and you go here to share. Go to download. Make sure your video is at MP4. This is video, and then you download. And that is it, guys. If you have watched it now, please try to like, share, subscribe. Subscription is very important to me. Please try to like, share, and subscribe. Until I come your way next time, this is Eva Family. Thank you so much.